At midnight, the city quiets, but Luna's ears perk. Something's rattling the trash bins again, and she has a hunch who it is. Empty cans, snack wrappers, a trail leading straight to the recycling bin. Rizzo's been here. She hops the fence and lands in the alley. The scent of banana peels and trouble fills the air. Luna crouches low behind a flower pot. The bin lid creaks. A striped tail slips out. Gotcha. It's Rizzo, greedy, grinning and elbow deep in a bag of donuts.
He bolts across fences and garden chairs. Luna springs after him, a blur of fur, but Rizzo's slippery. With one last leap, he vanishes into a drain pipe. Only a powdered sugar paw print remains. Back home, Luna settles in by the window. Rizzo may be gone, but the alley's a little cleaner tonight.